Hi, this is Motorola Moto G24 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So open first the settings and then tap to the personalize. Click to the wallpaper section and just select one from the wallpapers here. Click to change wallpaper and you could use photos from your device gallery or just default wallpapers. Just let's select one from the wallpapers. You could see the preview on lock or home screens. Just tap on the right upper corner after that and select lock screen. Wait a second, wallpaper successfully. Let's check, and as you could see, we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. And also we could hold for a while home screen with our finger, then tap to wallpaper section, select one from the wallpapers, tap to choose lock screen, and choose the wallpaper, select one from them, tap to OK on the right down corner. Wait a couple of minutes or seconds. Tap to OK, lock screen, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.